Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Keith Yeager. You might also know me as the Keith Yeager from TikTok. Today I'm going to give you some simple instructions on how to set up a hammock. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to do some reviews on some hammock brands just to help you guys out. And just so you guys know, the whole month of August, everybody that subscribes to my YouTube channel or my Instagram channel will be registered to win a hammock on September 1st. So without further ado, let's start looking about how to set up your hammock. The hammock brand I'm going to use today is called Segmark. This is a double nester hammock. Hammocks come in several different sizes, shapes, and lengths. This one is about a 10-foot length hammock, and it can hold up to 2 people. It's rated at about 650 pounds, and it's a lot of fun. So whenever you open up your hammock, some hammocks come with straps, some don't. So this one particular one came with straps, and straps or ropes. There's 2 different ways to hang a hammock. Today's tutorial is going to be with straps. So whenever you open up the straps, you can see that there's all kinds of loops, and they go all the way down to one side, and then they kind of stop, and it's just solid cord from there. What you want to do when you're hanging a hammock is you want to find a branch, wrap it around the branch with the side without the loops, and then you'll tuck the loops through the open hole. Pull it, and that's what's going to hold it, okay guys? It's important when you're choosing a tree to make sure the tree can support your weight. You don't want to pick a dead tree, and you don't want to pick a tree that's too small. Otherwise, you're going to end up on the ground, and you're going to be hurting the tree that you were trying to hammock in. These straps are friendly to the trees, just so you guys know. To save some time, I've already attached some straps to the back of the trees, so we'll set those out of the way, and we'll pull out the hammock. The hammock pulls out of the bag, real simple. Okay, has carabiners on one side and on the other side. These are how you're going to connect into those loops I talked about a minute ago. When you're stretching out the hammock, you're going to have about 10-foot distance in between the 2 trees. For optimal height, you want to hang between your belly button and your chest. Okay, let's show you. I've got this one set up a little lower because my daughter gets in and out of it. So this one's a little lower than waist height. And when you get in it, it will sag a little bit, okay? The preference on how tight you are in just depends on you. That is the quickest and easiest way to hang a hammock. I'll show you next time how to get in and out of it. Take it easy, guys, and we'll see you next time.